introduction to 3D geometry. Correct. So here in this itself, 3-dimensional. So which means there should be 3 axes respectively. X-axis. Then let me draw a Y-axis. So you can draw anything. Okay. You can draw anything in this. And a Z-axis. So it need not be the normal thing. So normally we'll draw X here, Y here, and this is Z. So these are called coordinate axes. Coordinate axis. And these should be X, Y, and Z. Correct? X, Y, and Z are mutually perpendicular lines. So which means X is perpendicular to Y, X is perpendicular to Z, Z is perpendicular to Y, Y is perpendicular to X. Correct? Fine. And then there is something called coordinate planes. So normally in our previous classes, we have learned only about 2 planes. That is XY plane. That's it. We have learned only about what? XY plane. Here XZ plane and YZ planes respectively. Fine. Correct. And these planes divide what? The entire space into 8 octants. Into 8 octants respectively. So for that, if you just draw the small thing here, the cube thing, we can easily do the same. If I connect each and everything here, correct, in a cuboid. So this is mainly our 3-dimensional figure, which we all know. Correct. Suppose the next topic in this is the coordinates in the space. Correct. Suppose if I'm putting a point P here, where this particular line P, I'm putting P here, a point P. Correct. So which is again perpendicular to X and Y, or anywhere in the XY plane. So we will see how the coordinates of the point in space works. Coordinates of point in space. Correct. So if I just take X-axis here, X-axis, the coordinates are X, 0, 0, Y-axis, 0, Y, 0, Z-axis, 0, 0, Z. If I take XY plane, it will be X, Y, 0. If I take XZ plane, it will be X, 0, Z. And if I take ZY plane or YZ plane, it will be 0, Y, Z respectively. So this is nothing but what? Coordinates of points in space.